This elegant Omega 38.5 LT pocket watch exemplifies classic Swiss craftsmanship and timeless design. The LT typically denotes a Lépine Type configuration, meaning the winding crown is at 12 o'clock and the second subdial is at 6 o'clock. Housed in a finely finished case, the watch features a clean, easy-to-read dial, often adorned with Arabic numerals and rare silver tone hands. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new stuff. The caliber 38.5 LT movement is a hand-wound mechanical mechanism known for its precision and durability. First produced in the early to mid-20th century, this caliber became one of Omega's reliable workhorses in pocket timepieces. Whether for a collector or a lover of vintage horology, this Omega pocket watch represents both historical value and enduring quality.